Hi, Christine here for the March 1st edition of the Winnipeg Real Estate News. I'm at Winnipeg's Richardson International Airport, which on March 1st, 1966 was the backdrop for the largest gold heist in Canadian history. You can read about this and more in this week's Real Estate News. And if you're moving to Winnipeg or in the market for a new home, we have an article about using a realtor's inside information to help you buy your next home, along with many other interesting stories. Our feature neighborhood this week is condos. Be sure to check out the wide selection located in all parts of the Winnipeg metropolitan region. Then contact your realtor to get you in to see them. Our open house guide is the only one published weekly in Winnipeg and has plenty of properties to choose from. Pick up a copy of the Winnipeg Real Estate News at any of our 500 plus locations in and around the city, or visit us online and view our interactive copy. Also, check out our new updated website. Have a great weekend, everyone, and remember, there's no place like home.